Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I have implemented Euclidean distance by using JavaScript code. As you see, in this canvas, I have taken 2 points, and the moment I am moving these 2 points, the value of this Euclidean distance is also changing. So here you can see I have taken a pointer, this is a vector, and this is the x coordinate, which is 202, and this is the y coordinate, 197, and this is b coordinate, x2 and y2. And this value will change according to the position of this a point, right? And also for the b coordinate, if you see, if I change this b point, you will see also this value is getting changed, right? So let's see how I have implemented this in JavaScript code. Right? For that, you have to include one library which is known as P5.JS. P5.JS is basically responsible for creating animated video in JavaScript. This is basically responsible for creating beautiful content regarding DS algo and some other animations. So here I have used this P5.JS. I have used a very minimum CSS just only to design the body and the complete canvas. Now let's see what is the code. So inside the script, you see I have taken 2 points A and B, and initially I have taken these 2 variables as false. Now this setup function is containing 2 functions. One is create canvas. This is basically responsible for creating this whole white canvas, and this create vector is basically it will create a vector with x coordinate and y coordinate. Now the question is where I have implemented this function. This function I haven't implemented. This function is already inside P5.js. So for using all the functions of P5.js, you have to include this source file. This source line you have to add. After that, you can use multiple library of P5.js. Now let's see further steps. So this text size, text align, this is basically responsible for designing the text with certain format. Here I have initialized 2 points A and B. Now I have drawn one straight line between A and B. If you check in my animation, I have drawn one line between A and B. Now here you can see this is the CSS for drawing of A button. So this A button, this A circle, I have this is the CSS for this A circle, and sky blue is the CSS for the B circle. And this dist. So dist function is basically responsible for Euclidean distance calculation. This function calculates the Euclidean distance. So as you already know, I have in my previous video I have already discussed how you can implement the Euclidean distance. So in my previous video, I have already shown you how you can implement Euclidean distance. That is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and square root of these 2. So that is basically the response. So D is basically responsible for generating the Euclidean distance. After that, I am fixing that Euclidean distance in the 2 point. Like if you check this animation here, the Euclidean distance, and also it is taking the only 2 point. I mean only 2 number after the point. So this is basically for to fix. To fix is basically a JavaScript function. And this is for mouse pressed, like this beautiful animation is working based on this mouse pointer, mouse movement in your laptop. So this is the function for, this is basically responsible for controlling the mouse movement, right? So these are all for this Euclidean distance implementation. So this whole code I have added in the description box. From there, you just copy this code and paste it on your VS Code. You can directly run this. You do not have to do any changes in the code. You just run it in your local browser. It will give you this animation. I hope you like this video, and if you really like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, because it costs nothing to you, but it means a lot to me. For more details and more updates, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.